Greetings and welcome to your Infinite Skills training course. This movie will help you find and easily access your working files for this course. The working files are designed to allow you to work alongside the author as they are teaching the course material, and in most cases the author will announce whenever they have provided a working file. If you have downloaded this course from our website, then you will have gone to a download page that looks like this, and you may see that the working files are a separate download file. Once you have downloaded the working files, you can extract the downloaded zip files and place them directly onto your desktop. From the player, you will see a menu bar located up here with various buttons just above the video. From the player menu bar, look for this button. When you move your mouse over it, a label will show up that reads Open Working Files. Left-click on this icon and a window will open up to show you where the files are located. You may see multiple files as the working files are organized within them. To make things easier for yourself, we suggest copying all of these working files to the desktop of your computer. Please note that if you downloaded the working files separately, as we mentioned earlier, you will not see them here. However, you should already know where they are, as you should have extracted them and placed them somewhere on your computer, well, like the desktop. If you are watching this from the DVD, there are a couple of ways to access the working files directory so you can open up your files. Now, you will only be able to open these files from the DVD. If you make some changes and would like to save them, you will need to save them onto your computer. Copy the working files to the desktop, as we have shown earlier from the player. This way you can find them quickly and easily because they are located on your desktop, and you can open and save any changes as you work along with the lessons. You can also find the working files by going directly into the Files folder. To get to this folder from your DVD on your PC, go into your computer, find your DVD drive with the disk in it, and select it. You will see that there will be a Working Files folder on the disk that you can drag and drop to your desktop. You can also copy this to your desktop by right-clicking on the folder and selecting Copy, then right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Paste. If you are on a Mac, click on the DVD icon for the disk on your desktop. A window will open and show you all the files on the disk. You can then drag and drop the working files to your desktop. You can also copy this to your desktop by right-clicking on the folder and selecting Copy, then right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Paste.